Welcome back to the Hobbyist Mechanic. We're back at it again, and I've got a DIY mudguard right about here that I'm going to slap in all nice and toasty. The arrow right there, if you can see it, is pointing to the controller box, so we need to protect that pronto. So without further ado, let's get rolling. And with the magic of editing, we've got it all done and installed. What you're looking at here is some 1/4-inch steel, some Dollar General spray paint, and some Amazon car door edge protector. Go ahead and write the measurements down if you want to be like me. It's going to be 14.5 inches long, 6 inches wide at the top, and 5 inches wide at the bottom. Up close here, and over here, you can see the car door edge protector. Gives it a nice clean look, and it kind of protects your fingers from getting all scratched up. Just look at the shine on that paint. You can see your reflection in there. Like always, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.